Hey, I'm back. This is round 3. Okay, so we have magnesium fluoride reacting with lithium carbonate to produce magnesium carbonate and lithium fluoride. This is an example of a double displacement where magnesium and lithium swap places. See that? Magnesium takes the place of lithium and lithium takes the place of magnesium. All right, we have 1 magnesium, 2 fluorines, 2 lithiums, and then again, if you see this polyatomic carbonate, polyatomic ion carbonate, if you recognize that it didn't break up to make carbon monoxide and some other compound, we can just treat it as one thing. Oh, this one's so easy. Do you see it? Do you see what to do? I hope so. Just put, what do you want me to do? Put a 2 right here, and we got a balanced equation. Yay! Correct. That wasn't so hard, was it? Okay. All right, let's do this. This is hydrocyanic acid reacting with copper 2 sulfate to make sulfuric acid and copper 2 cyanide in a double displacement reaction. Again, the hydrogen and the copper swap places. So, see this polyatomic ion right here? That's cyanide. See that polyatomic ion? Sulfate. So I'm going to, and they don't break up, so we're going to treat them as the same. One hydrogen. Ooh, what am I doing here? 1 cyanide, 1 copper, 1 sulfate. All right. Oh, this looks harder than it really is. Look at that. We just need to make a coefficient of 2 in front of the hydrocyanic acid over here on the reactant side. And then we have a balanced equation. That was easy. Okay. Let's do 2 more here. This will be a shorter one compared to the others that I've done for you. Okay. So we've got lead 2 hydroxide reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce water and lead 2 chloride. All right, this is an example of that polyatomic ion breaking up. So we'll just list them separately. See, I don't see the hydroxide over here. No, I don't see the hydroxide. It makes water is what happens. So you have this base reacting with an acid to make water and a salt. And this is called a neutralization reaction, where this is a weak base. So I'm going to break up the hydrogen and the oxygen. I have 2 oxygens. Okay, and then, but I have 2 plus 1 is 3, and then I have 1 chlorine. And then over here, I have 1 lead, and I have 1 oxygen, and then I have 2 hydrogens and 2 chlorines on the product side. So you can see where I'm going to need this to be 6, right? If I did a 2, that won't really get me. Well, I'd have 4. So then I could do it 2. Oh, look at that. I'm going to have to, because I already have 2 chlorines. But if I do 2 chlorines, what do I got here? 4. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to do that. Okay. So then I'm going to have to do a 2. There we go. There we go. That one was a little harder to see because you're having to do some addition here. Okay? Because it was 2 plus 1 is 3. Now it's 2 plus 2 is 4. Last time I checked it was. But then that also raised the chlorines, which I had, and then I needed to go back and balance the water to give me the 2 and the 4. Okay? All right. Last one. We've got aluminum bromide reacting with potassium sulfate to make potassium bromide and aluminum sulfate, and a double displacement reaction where aluminum and potassium swap places. See that? Aluminum forms aluminum bromide, forms potassium bromide, and aluminum sulfate. Same thing here, since the polyatomic ion sulfate didn't break up, we'll just keep those together. Unlike over here, anytime you have a base, this is a base reacting with an acid, you always form water. See how that HOH forms H2O? Yeah. So that hydroxide gets taken away there. So 1, 3, 2, and 1, and 2, 1, 1, and we have 3 sulfates over here. Oh my. Okay, you see what to do? You can see one thing, we need to go ahead and balance these sulfates. So that does give me 3, but 3 times 2 is 6 potassiums. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. Okay, so if I put a 6 here, that brings those up to 6, correct? But I need 2 aluminums, so 2 times 3, and now that gives me 6. And we got a balanced equation. Yay! All right, so that's set 3 on balancing equations. Again, give me some feedback and let me know how things are going with everything. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.